Hey you green juice lovers, check this out. Hey guys, good morning. A little morning video for you. Real Estate 101. Always eat healthy. And how I'm going to start my day is with a green juice. And so what I've got here is a green ripe pear. I've got some kale, because kale has a bunch of fiber that's so good for you. And I have parsley. Parsley is also got great vitamin C in it and great detoxifying factors with vitamin C. And I also got organic chia seeds, which are my favorite. I also have some fresh cilantro, also organic as well, and I'm going to use a whole cucumber. All right, that's not organic. And then I also have here some fresh spinach, which is really great in vitamin C as well. I'm going to use all these and put them all together, and I'm going to make a great, beautiful green juice. But it's actually going to be kind of in the smoothie form, which actually you have more nutrition that goes within it. Celery is also a great factor for detoxifying. So, yeah. As you can see, this is what you
So you're going to get a whole healthy spinach steak, huh?
can use in the morning. All right.
To make me feel better, so let's stay together. To make me feel better, so let's stay together. To make me feel better, so let's stay together. To make me feel better, so let's stay together. To make me feel better, so let's stay together. To make me feel better, so let's stay together. To make me feel better, so let's stay together. To make me feel better, so let's stay together.
So here I'm taking out the kale, and I'm basically chopping the celery up here and putting it back in my blender, putting my pear and chopping it up and putting it in my blender. I am taking the spinach and putting in there with alkaline water. That's a 9 pH balance. Taking some parsley, throwing it into the blender, and putting some oat milk in there as well for some protein, and mixing it all together. And I'm also making eggs from the rest of the green juice paste.